My Lord, the second issue I would like to highlight is the rush from the word go, that the entire process was conducted by the National Assembly through to the Senate, breakneck speed, lightning speed. And the question that arises is why this speed? And our submission is that the only inference that can be drawn, and we drew and we invite this Honorable Court to draw, is that there was a predetermined result that the National Assembly and the Senate were rushing to achieve. Technical perception that they were doing what the Constitution requires, when in fact nothing of the sort was happening. My Lord, if you look at paragraph 8, 9, and 10 and 11, and they appear from page 8 of our written submissions. Paragraph 8, my Lord, you see the respondent, the third respondent, convened a session of the Senate on 8th October 2024, which then passed a resolution that the plenary would hear and consider, and I pause here to emphasize the word plenary, my Lord, because both the Constitution and the standing orders of the Senate divide impeachment proceedings into stages: committee and plenary. And if the person to be impeached is to get any fairness, fair trial in the impeachment, the Senate cannot legally, constitutionally bypass the committee. It is the committee that accords an opportunity to the person to be impeached to be fully heard, not the plenary. And we will be highlighting our understanding, our interpretation of the law, that the rules of natural justice and on a correct interpretation of the relevant provisions of the Constitution, the standing orders, it was not open to the Senate to bypass the committee of the Senate, where the law gives the Deputy President, the first petitioner, the opportunity before a smaller committee to fully present his evidence, be represented, and be heard. And the 10 days that later the Senate imposed itself on refer to the committee of the Senate, not to the plenary.